What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Crystal Restore before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Crystal Restore works. What is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore is a monumental breakthrough in manifestation that is unlike anything you've tried before. Crystal Restore is an effective formula that helps anyone to feel chained down, unfilled, or disconnected. With this amazing supplement, you can easily observe changes by resetting the pineal gland crystals to a positive state. This daily tablet was changing people's lives by opening up or turning on third eye and enabling them to generate an entirely new reality. Crystal Restore reveals the perfect tool you can find as a peek into the future. Also, this supplement helps you to find the hidden truths and even manifest new realities. How does Crystal Restore work? Crystal Restore works greatly with an amazing combination of ingredients that supports a greater manifestation. It makes you start changing almost every aspect of your life right away. This miraculous breakthrough ended your living paycheck to paycheck due to a lack of funds. Crystal Restore brings the most compatible life partner and your soulmate to you. It attracts meaningful work that aligns with your innermost desires and a clear purpose. This product brings radiant health, endless vitality, and a life free of suffering without costing a hefty fortune for ineffective gurus, classes, and elaborate spiritual rites. Simply taking one dropper of Crystal Restore formula daily works on reactivating the crystals in your pineal gland as the epicenter of your innate manifestation abilities. It clears out the disruptive fluoride buildup blocking this critical gateway between your conscious desires and the field of infinite potential all around you. Soon, you'll feel long-dormant spiritual channels opening again as you receive clear intuitions, creative sparks, and divine inspiration. Your mind and the quantum field exchange signals, finally allowing you to bring your wildest hopes and aspirations to physical reality. Crystal Restore ingredients: ginkgo biloba, bacopa mineri, pine extract, tamarind extract, spirulina, lion's mane, pure chlorella, moringa, mahogany neem. Pros and cons. Pros: when you take Crystal Restore as suggested, you can experience the benefits as follows. Crystal Restore is 100% natural and side effect free. This supplement works greatly for anyone at any age. This product delivers real benefits within a matter of days. The added ingredients in this formula are purely sourced from nature's extract. This supplement unlocks innate manifestation abilities hidden within you. This supplement makes you magnetize more wealth and love partnerships. It works as a vibrant, healthy, purposeful work in anything. Crystal Restore acts as a miraculous avalanche of positive changes. This supplement makes you notice the constant money worries. It makes you find a thrilling new chapter of life will begin. Crystal Restore makes you live happy. Crystal Restore supplement can be easily affordable by anyone. Cons. Crystal Restore is available online only. There is no offline availability. Individual results may vary, the transformation from person to person is very random, and it all depends on the level of commitment. Consult your physician before starting any diet or exercise program, and take any diet pill to avoid health issues. Significantly, users take this product as suggested, or else it can cause a reverse effect in your results. How to use it? Crystal Restore is prepared as a vegetarian serum dietary supplement. Each bottle of Crystal Restore is packed with an easy-to-take dropper. Take one dropper full of Crystal Restore's liquid formula each day. You'll be amazed by how quickly your life can transform. It is not made for pregnant or nursing mothers or children under 18. It is recommended to consult a doctor before consuming Crystal Restore if you have any allergies to any of the above given ingredients. It is recommended to continue the dosage consumption for 90 days at least for the best results, as most ingredients start showing the best results in 2 months. Consume it for an extra month for a complete treatment. You can take it for 3 or more months as you like. It has no side effects.